talking about Ethereum and its strong price prediction, anywhere up to $20,000 within the next 12 months. In this video, we will cover 5 facts you should know about when it comes to Ethereum. Second, explaining what is Ethereum in the simple terms. What are the main benefits and disadvantages of Ethereum? What are the differences and similarities between Bitcoin versus Ethereum? And finally, we will touch on the prediction and valuation of Ethereum before the end of 2022. But firstly, let's dive into these 5 most important facts you should know about. First, it's classified as an alternative coin and it has the second highest market valuation after Bitcoin. Number 2, Ethereum was a crowd-funded project where Vitalik had the idea of Ethereum in 2013, but he did not have the sufficient resources to make it a reality. So he turned to crowdfunding, which became a success. And in 2015, Dr. Gavin Wood bought Vitalik's vision and they together co-founded the network, which went live and received public acceptance in 2015. Number 3, Ethereum is not bound by limits like Bitcoins. The one limitation that Ethereum has is that only 18 million Ethereums can be mined in a year. Number 4, Ethereum being a cryptocurrency is also an ecosystem for decentralized applications. Various decentralized programs like games or social media apps are now developed using Ether. And the last fact, Ethereum is supported by large businesses. It's not only for the programmers and investors who have shown their interest in Ethereum, and is also looking for ways to use the functionality. Massive tech companies have also found the use of Ethereum in their respective fields. Some of the most famous companies are Samsung, Toyota Research Institute, Banco Santander, Microsoft, JP Morgan, Intel, Deloitte, Accenture, and there are many more. Now let's dive in to understand what is Ethereum. But first, let's touch on the difference between Ether and Ethereum. Ether is the native token that people trade in, and Ethereum is the underlying blockchain network. Ether is traded as a virtual coin like other altcoins. It's also used inside the Ethereum network to run applications. And moreover, it can be used to monetize the work done inside the platform. Ethereum is a distributed and decentralized computer system that features smart contracts, and it is based on blockchain technology. It's also an open source platform for developers and computer scientists. It's more than just a cryptocurrency. Perceiving Ethereum as a simple another cryptocurrency is ignorance. Its role surpasses that of the average altcoin. It's the entire platform that supports decentralized applications, and it has its own tokens. And what's more interesting is that it allows developers and users to issue their own digital items within the network. So for clarity, Ethereum is a crypto platform and a programming tool. It has a dedicated team of developers and users that give feedback to the system for continuous improvement. Despite being fully decentralized, it has retained its developers and workers to maintain and promote the network. So in a sense, Ethereum is a centralized, decentralized system. The central development team is also the largest holder in the network. And what gains Ethereum the public trust is because its developers do not hide behind pseudonyms, unlike Bitcoin. Ethereum platform is an open source. Ethereum allows users to work for it and build off it using Solidarity, the network's programming language. Using this language, developers can create their own cryptocurrency and dApps without downtime, fraud, regulation, or interference from third parties. The Ethereum community is ready to assist those willing to work with them. It's alleged that the Ethereum Alliance is working on the implementation of open source reference standards. The standards are projected to cover several stakeholders in the automotive industry, consultation, management, healthcare system, entertainment, technology, and other industries. Open source has enabled developers and cryptocurrency enthusiasts to try their hand at creating smart applications. Now, here are some main benefits of Ethereum. Number 1, large existing network. The benefits of Ethereum are a tried and true network that has been tested through years of operation and billions of value in trading hands. It has a large and committed global community and the largest ecosystem in blockchain and cryptocurrency. The second benefit, wide range of functions. Besides being used as a digital currency, Ethereum can also be used to process other types of financial transactions, execute smart contracts, and store data for third-party applications. And the third benefit, it avoids intermediaries. Ethereum's decentralized network promises to let users leave behind third-party intermediaries like lawyers who write and interpret contracts, banks that are intermediaries in financial transactions, or third-party web hosting services. Now, what has advantages? Now let's cover the disadvantages. The number one hate is the rising transaction costs. Ethereum's growing popularity has led to higher transaction costs. It's called gas fees, and those gas fees, even just for a single transaction that needs to be processed, can be anywhere from $20 to even $600. So this is because unlike Bitcoin, where the network itself rewards transaction verifiers, Ethereum requires those participating in the transaction to cover the fee. Number two disadvantage would be potential for crypto inflation. While Ethereum has an annual limit of releasing 18 million Ether per year, there is no lifetime limit on the potential number of coins. And this could mean that as an investment, Ethereum might function more like dollars and may not appreciate as much as Bitcoin, which has a strict lifetime limit on the number of coins. And the last, third disadvantage would be the steep learning curve for developers. Ethereum can be difficult for developers to pick up as they migrate from centralized processing to decentralized networks. And the next chapter, let's cover what are the differences and similarities between Bitcoin versus Ethereum. The difference between Bitcoin and Ethereum is that the supply of Bitcoin Cash is capped at 21 million coins, whereas Ethereum is not bound by limits. The goal of Bitcoins is to mine 21 million coins, then and no more, where Ethereum doesn't have an actual cap, and its only limit is that only 18 million Ether can be mined annually, so it will surpass Bitcoin. Ether and Bitcoin are similar in many ways. Each is a digital currency traded via online exchanges and stored in various types of cryptocurrency wallets, and both of these tokens are decentralized, meaning that they are not issued or regulated by a central bank or other authority. Both make use of distributed ledger technology known as blockchain. Bitcoin's primary use is a virtual currency and store of value. Ether also works as a virtual currency and store of value, but the decentralized Ethereum network makes it possible to create and run applications, smart contracts, and other transactions on the network. Bitcoin doesn't offer these functions. It's only used as a currency and store of value. Ethereum rose by more than 300% in 2021, and the current price of Ethereum at the time of filming, which is January 2022, was around $3,800, with Ethereum reached its highest price in November 2021, around $4,800. I reviewed many analysts' opinions amongst JP Morgan and Raoul Pal, and the expectations vary anywhere from $8,000 up to $21,000 before end of 2022. And also, according to a panel of 42 cryptocurrencies experts by comparison site called Finder, Ethereum could be worth anywhere up to $22,500 by the end of 2022 and $71,000 before end of 2025. So what is on horizon is in 2024 we have another supply shock for Bitcoin, and 18 to 24 months later, around the year 2026, we should expect for Bitcoin to be $1 million coin. Daniel Polsky, founder of CoinFlip, a Bitcoin ATM operator, added that Ethereum's price largely follows Bitcoin's halving cycles, and although the relationship may begin to decouple as time goes on, and as Ethereum continues to develop use cases that Bitcoin cannot achieve, then its price may grow at a faster rate than Bitcoin's. And this is, my friends, what makes Ethereum another valuable cryptocurrency worth investing. Ethereum's technology is fast-paced and constantly being innovative. Therefore, the growth and expansion still depends on the application across different technologies. I'm definitely investing. Are you? I hope you loved this video and learned some macro level facts, trends about Ethereum, also about Bitcoin in my previous videos. And please remember, we are living through the most disruptive technological times, and we shouldn't resist the change but embrace it. And those who educate themselves on the new technological advances can create unique business opportunities and big wealth for their families. Please like the video, subscribe to become part of our business channel. Until next time, ciao my friends.